as I'm doing my hair, I don't know if I like it at all. Like, this is my first time doing it. I didn't even want it this small, but because of habit, I've done it small. I wanted big braids, and then I got nervous, and then I went down to like medium size. I'm gonna show you guys how I did it, and I'm gonna dip it in hot water after just to see what it looks like. I left one row, and you guys, I think you guys know like how I prep my hair as far as like washing it, parting it, and sectioning it off and stuff like that. You guys seen the video. If you have not, please go back and look at my passion twist video and you'll see what I'm talking about. So I left one row, and let's just start with this braid right here. So here we are. We have our braid. I haven't greased my scalp or anything like that yet, so if you see anything, I'm sorry guys. Start off with the argan oil edge control, right? And pretty much put it around the area. Alright, comb it out. And then I use my edge wax for the ends. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to do this, but I tried looking up some DIYs on how to do this, and I couldn't really find any. I saw someone with people doing someone else's hair, but as far as them doing it themselves, it was like a struggle to really understand how to go about it. So I'm also going to part the middle of this after I comb it out. Alright, so we have the middle at part 2, right? I'm going to take some of my hair. And I think this hairstyle would have looked a little better if it was just like all one beat as far as the colors. And I didn't have that. I'm using leftover hair because it's quarantine, guys. Duh. So I am putting edge wax on the tip of the hair. The tip. This part of the hair. Okay. I'm putting the hair in between the 2 strands that I parted, and then what you have to do is twist in the opposite direction. Okay, now I'm gonna hold this strand with this here and this strand with this here, and I'm going to twist and hold down, twist and hold down, twist and hold down. So I'm basically essentially trying to get the hair to be as close to the scalp as possible. So I'm just holding this hair down and just like twisting the other side. And I'm gonna do the same for the other strand. And I'm just putting my finger there just to tighten it up. Okay. Then we get into twisting. Now as you're twisting, you want to rope the hair, and roping just means, I'm sure you guys know what a rope looks like. You're twisting the actual strand and then twisting the hair around each. Okay, twisting, twist, twisting upwards, then twist, upwards, twist, upwards, twist, upwards, twist. So my issue is that, by the way, I'm still twisting upwards and twist, upwards and twist as I do it. So as I'm twisting, my biggest concern is, am I twisting it too tight? Because look at this. I don't even know how this managed to like crinkle up. So I'm hoping that the hot water will kind of loosen it up a bit. And then you have this one here that don't, like, it's looking like a whole struggle right about now. I'm not too mad about it, but I'm a little mad about it. Let's just hope that the hot water is going to loosen it up, but also secure the ends in a way. If not, I feel like I might have to add some rubber bands to the ends, or I might just have to do like a three strand braid at the ends so that it helps secure it. Because I don't want my hair unraveling. Like that's hard work, and who wants that? Not I, said the cat. And then you want to get as close as you can to the ends. Like, I'm not trying to stop until my fingers are like, no, we can't go no more, sis. Good thing this is not a tutorial, right? This is going to take some time, guys, for you to like get a hold of it. If you want, you can use one side by just twisting one side. I'm putting my finger there, twisting, putting finger there, twisting, putting finger there, and then do the same for the opposite. Putting finger there. We just want to get it tight, guys. Okay, so that's good enough for me, because now I'm getting closer. So it looks like this, and then put it over and under, twist and put it over and under, twist over and under, twist over and under. Keep going with that method, and then that's how it should be. Okay. Oh, it's like this. That's how the young kids do it. So I wanted to show you guys exactly how it looks now. So before, it was looking terrible, and I'm sure you guys saw how it looked. It would look kind of like scrunched up, and the hot water did help it a lot. I was not expecting that because I kind of thought my hair was going to just flow like this. So one thing I do want to say, and what I will try for next time I do my hair, is try to get it bigger, because I'm so used to braiding my hair this small that I want to start looking like trying out different like styles and different sizes, because I am a little intimidated by the sizes usually, because I got a peanut head and not all those styles look good on me. But yeah, I do enjoy this look. I was feeling really happy that I actually put the hot water and it kind of loosened up and kind of like formed the way it did. And also another thing I did notice that I need to work on is making sure that the twist is going the same direction, because I know some of my hair is either going this way and then some of it's going the opposite way, and it tends to look a little messy. So I'm sorry. Amen. Let me know what you guys think. I did feel like I parted my hair a lot better than the last time. I just want to see if I can show you guys. I also will try this hair with this hairstyle with black hair, so that, you know, it looks seamless. It looks like it's my hair. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like right now. Yes.